Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Timer Chrome extension. This extension helps you set quick timer directly in your Chrome browser. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, you can search for Timer extension. Press enter. Now here you will see the different timers. You can select which one you want, then click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now open any website, then click on the extension icon. Here you will see alarm, stopwatch and timer. You can select what you want and you can adjust the timer like 10 minutes, 10 seconds. So I will choose the 5 seconds timer and see. Now you will see. Here you will see after 5 seconds the timer will automatically show you that time's up. You can snooze it. After 5 minutes clear snoozes and close. It will help you to. You can also set alarm or stopwatch for your work, like if you want to do your work and then you can select alarms. So that's how can use the Timer Chrome extension. It is a simple and useful tool to manage your time without leaving your browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.